So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
Guys, welcome back to another video. So you know it's Candice. I'm starting the video vlog right now. I don't know when I'm going to end this vlog, but yeah, I need to fix my clothes properly because I can't have no stuff on shoe. Anyways, so today I'm going to be doing a delivery. Go follow my business page at Moda Styles _JA. Yes, you can follow also my regular Instagram at Candice _Charmz with a Z. So yes guys, so today I do a delivery, and from yesterday I feel for party. So me I go buy a party today. Any party place. My brother say I want a party too, but he must give me money because I don't got it. So guys, remember to watch the ads. Anything will happen maybe during the course of this week, me will make on know, or just today and post it as a vlog. I'm not gonna say Vlogmas day, whatever, because I'm not sure when we're gonna end the vlog here. So may I walk for get a taxi because the person should be there soon or by now. So that's that. Catch you back in the next clip. I am at Hilo right now, and I'm showing them Christmas tree already. Them have more than one still. Yeah, I'm just waiting on the person. Them not on phone. Them just wait for them at Hilo, but I just have to walk around with me and maybe buy something to eat. More want party. I definitely want party. I want to from yesterday, but I never get yesterday. So like, come from Spain, I go buy it as I come already. But when I walk around, I food for it. Let's see what's going on. After 5 hours, the first to come, and Syria.
Hello guys, you remember me?
No. So we are activities right now. Guys, I don't think I get patty. I get a fish patty and chicken patty. I'm also the vlog they're all over the place, but I just did this makeup. It's so cute. Oh my god, go check out Vlogmas Day 10. I feel like I post it tomorrow. But guys, yeah, I mean this is horrible, but like beginner, definitely. I'm a beginner still, but it's cute. It's giving goat in the sun and get the sun kiss. Guys, welcome back to another video. No more sad for see me the video them answer. See I'm doing here because I can't bother come here. Honestly, me just can't bother. So I'm going to buy food. I think I'm gonna buy KFC for the family and then come back home. Yeah. So I want food.
Like, share,
anyways,
subscribe, and click the notification bell to be
which is
notified
right.
when Candice posts the next video.
Anyways, guys, what do you gonna say? I know I said it's all over the place. Go check out Vlogmas Day 10. Definitely I'm gonna post a video tomorrow. Definitely I'm gonna post this tomorrow. If you not see it tomorrow, then this will be Vlogmas Day 11. But guys, I need content. I realize I'm still post, but like I really need content. You see my head look mad? Tomorrow supposed to be a busy day for me. Well, not a busy day. I'm supposed to do some stuff. Hope everything can be done. And that's that. So me I go on taxi. Me I walk because I can't bother to up and wait. So yeah. Catch you back in the next clip. Guys, me just there and wait for food, and I KFC me go there Garden Chinese restaurant. So yeah, because I can't manage so much juice to walk with. Plus we eat fried chicken, we eat KFC Saturday, eat KFC Tuesday, eat KFC Thursday. Well, not KFC but fried chicken. That's how we want. If we want to be like chicken, so that's that. And yeah. So guys, right now I'm going to wash my hair, a little mini wash, one shampoo, one conditioner, one time for everything, because my nose will get dirty again. Just because I didn't comb my hair, that's the reason why I'm going to try to wash it, because it's very naughty. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more content. Yeah. I'm just do a greetings across the world video, and I'm going to end the vlog here, so I can my ear nice and moisturize it and all of that. But yeah, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm going to edit this now and post it Vlogmas day 11. So stay tuned for more. Comment video ideas, guys, because the brain